Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2813-0069. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Please try again later. If the problem persists, please restart Nintendo eShop and try again. If restarting does not fix the problem, please reach out to the Nintendo support website." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to redeem a beta test code on the Nintendo eShop. According to our research, this error occurs because the beta or product associated with the code is not yet available on the Nintendo Switch store. In some cases, the beta goes live at a specific time, and players receive this error if they try to redeem the code before the official launch. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart the Nintendo eShop. Simply close the eShop, relaunch it, and try redeeming the code again. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then wait until the beta goes live in your region. Once the beta is live, try redeeming the code again and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists even after the beta has gone live, then visit the Nintendo support website and reach out to their support team for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.